Welcome. This is our first in a series of video lectures for digital marketing in food and agriculture. Digital marketing is not intended to replace traditional marketing, but should be aligned and complement each other. Traditional marketing and digital marketing have the same goals to keep and grow the customer base and increase profits. However, digital tools allow us to connect and build long-term relationships with customers. Digital marketing is powerful in fundamental ways. The audience can be segmented very precisely, even down to factors like current location and recent brand interactions. The digital sphere is almost completely measurable. Every minute and every click by customer can be reported. And most notably, digital content is always available. Marketing on the internet. If you note the chart on the right, we see some interesting statistics on the mobile internet and usage around the world. This is an audience just waiting for you. The complete scope of the digital marketing is practiced on the internet. The web provides consumers with more choice, more influence, and more power. As of January 2021, over 60% of the world had unique mobile phone users, and greater than 50% use social media. Marketing decisions based on real-time data. There's a wealth of digital data online to help us refine and recalibrate our business and marketing plans to better meet today's day. A benefit of digital marketing is that you do not have to guess or rely on gut feel in pursuit of customers who want and will pay for your product and service. Real-time data is provided from the internet to optimize business and marketing decisions. In an instant, with the proper tools, the business can ensure they're meeting customer expectations and make necessary changes quickly and easily. This agility allows for a business to meet actual needs and current trends, rather than perceived needs and desires. Customers are key, and their feedback allows them to participate in refining the market process. Users fall in love with the products and services when their experience is tailored to their needs. The internet closes the gap between who creates the product and who uses the product, so the customers themselves become part of the marketing effort. There are many benefits of online marketing, as we see on this list: the low cost, flexibility and convenience, targeting, more options such as pay-per-click advertising, and then free analytic tools make it easier to measure. And if you think about these benefits, few of these can be addressed by traditional marketing, except perhaps targeting for the distribution of various newspapers and magazines. Evolving advertising channels. The growth of the internet usage has resulted in declining distribution of traditional media, such as television, radio, newspapers, and magazines. Research has turned up the fact that most of your customers use a social media app, such as Facebook, Instagram, X, formerly known as Twitter, and LinkedIn. The content on these platforms is by and large user-generated, and social media advertising has been a fast-growing market in the last decade. Marketing through social media apps. Customer is king in the digital marketing world, and that's what makes it possible to put the customers at the center of your digital marketing strategy. This is because there's a greater sense of community online. Where traditional marketing, such as a magazine, is only one-way communication, digital marketing, particularly on social media platforms, allows for two-way communication. I encourage you to watch and learn here. This URL below provides you access to a YouTube video that you can see after you bypass an ad. It's entitled Digital Marketing for Agricultural Products. I think you will find it to be a fascinating overview of the facets of digital marketing and how it will aid your agribusiness in growth and contact with your customers. Stay tuned for our next topic. Our next video will be covering the importance of the customer and the market research. Take care. We'll see you then.